Hi, boys and girls. So we're going to practice a little bit with compare and contrast. So welcome to part 2 of the video. So let's say these words together. I say, you say. Compare, your turn. Great job. Contrast. So I say contrast. Now it's your turn. Nice work. So compare. How two or more things are the same. So alike. How are they the same? So two or more things are the same, alike. So here we have, what are these? Good job, they are dogs. Both of these animals are the same, there's our word again, because they are dogs. So here's a dog and here's a dog. But now let's go down to contrast. Contrast. How two or more things are not the same. So they're different. How two or more things are not the same. They are different. So both of these animals are different because one is a dog and the other one is a cat. That is why they are different. So these two are the same because they are dogs. These two are different because one is a dog and one is a cat. Now I'm going to show you something. Here I have two markers. Hold on, I got to focus it. There you go. Here are two markers. Are these markers the same or different? Are these markers the same or different? If you said same, you are correct. These two markers are the same because they are both markers and they are orange. And they look alike. So that makes them the same. Now, here is another marker, red. Here is a pencil. Are these two the same or are they different? Are they the same or are they different? Different is correct. Great job. These two are different because this one is a marker and this one is a pencil. So I'm going to show you what are called graphic organizers. This one is a Venn diagram. Can you say Venn diagram? Great job. Venn diagram. So this Venn diagram can help you understand how two things are the same and how two things are different. So on this side, I would put different because look, I have my dog. And then I have the cat. But then I have both of them in the middle because I want to find out how they are the same. So I'm going to highlight the cat side yellow. And I'm going to highlight the dog side orange. But then in the middle, I'm going to make it one color so I know when I look at it that it means it's the same. Now, this can be very tricky but that's what we're here for, and we're going to practice. And if you have a hard time the first time, that's okay. Practice makes perfect. So I have my dog and I have my cat. Now I need to figure out how they are different, but I also need to figure out how they are the same. So I put some questions down here at the bottom. So questions you could ask yourself are, how is the dog and the cat different? Well, one, this is a dog. This is a cat. Now, what does the dog do differently from the cat? Well, let's think about it. What do they do? What do you think? I think that the dog barks. So a dog barks and a cat meows. So that's something that they do differently. What else? So what does the dog do differently than the cat? Well, the dog likes to play fetch. The cat, what do you think a cat does sometimes? Usually they'll play with balls that are on strings. A dog chews bones. Cat does not chew bones. What else does a dog do that's differently? A cat can jump very high. Now let's think about how they could be the same. How could they be the same? They're both animals. They're pets to people. They're lovable. What do you think? How else are they the same? Hmm. They could be indoor or outdoor animals. So could be indoors or outside animals, depending how they're raised. Okay, so to help you too, I'm gonna color this in now, because remember, the cat is different on this side. Now remember, these aren't all the things that a cat can do that is different from a dog. You can think of other things. Those are just some ideas. Also, you could make them in a 3-column chart. So you can do what's different, what's the same, and what's different. You can do this when you get better with your writing and you can spell out more words. You can use pictures, you can use whatever. So here, I'm just going to look back at what I have here. So I can put the cat here and dog here. And this can help you put your ideas instead of using bubbles. So a dog can bark. A cat can meow. Both of these animals. Whoops. See, everybody makes a mistake. Both of these, let me just take all that out. The cat and dog are, there we go, both animals. See, everyone makes mistakes. I just didn't get my idea down correctly. But you can use all these to put into sentences for yourself. So I hope that helps a little bit because we will be comparing and contrasting our story. I will see you for part 3.